Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. It has been a week. It is post-Christmas. Crypto is cooling off. Bitcoin was at 95.5-ish last I checked. We're going to go over some XRP news and see what's happening with crypto. I am buying some XRP right now, right here at this price. It sounds like that stupid commercial. Right now, right here. All right, good people. My name is Larry Jones. This is a Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell if I didn't say that. Let's get right into it. You know what? Let's start where crypto is right now. We can see for the hour, it's mixed. Actually, we got a lot of green coming back. Okay. So it's a little scare, right? For the day, but it's mostly red for the day. Let's just go on out to the month. All right. We're starting to regain a lot of the green, but we got a ways to go, good people. We got a ways to go. You got some runners like H-bar is still up for the month, 113%. Then you got XRP up 55%. Remember, for the month. So XRP is giving up some of its gains. It's giving back some of the gains, which was expected, right? So now let's look at what's going on. You know what? Let's just go ahead and get XRP in the way, shall we? All right. So let's go to some XRP news that is... All right, so this unfolded a few days ago, as you guys know. Uphold, a leading Web3 financial platform, has confirmed that its Ripple new USD-backed stablecoin called RLUSD will be fully accessible on its platform starting December 18th, which has already happened, right? In addition to its launch, that will be integrated into Uphold's Reward Center program in January of 2025. Okay, so that's still to come, enabling users to earn incentives for holding the stable coin. Now, we know that it could be revolutionary, especially in the processing and banking industry, XRP. And that's what the XRP army is betting on. Now, I have a lot of money in XRP at this point, and I plan on holding. As a matter of fact, I'm not selling pretty much anything I have. All right, let's go to the charts on XRP. We could see that at the time of shooting this, we are at 217, which has broken underneath support, which was around 220. Okay, so we're at 217 now. As we could see, 220 is right here. So as you could see, we have these wicks down, right? And now at the time of filming this, we are at 217. I am buying. Now, it's dangerous to go in heavy when something breaks under support because it could continue to free fall, right? We know that much. But I like buying XRP at this price. Personally, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Don't fall for any spam in the comment section or any weird looking videos that is clearly AI. But we can clearly see that we had this massive run right here, good people. 436% massive run starting Monday, November 4th. You guys can see that, right? Which was what you guys know, right after the presidential election. So we were waiting for a pro-crypto administration to get elected, all right? And so let's look at Bitcoin, all right? Let's stay on page. Let's look at Bitcoin and see what's happening with Bitcoin. All right, so now at the time of filming this, we're at 96. It was down to 95, and you guys know it broke down to 92, actually 91 a few days ago. And a lot of people were spooked out on that. It didn't really spook me out. You can see these wicks down right here. Look at that, 91.9. Let's just call it 92K is where Bitcoin wicked down and shook out a lot of paper hand holders with all of this bullish Bitcoin news yet to happen. Though, when you look at stuff like this and you can clearly see that XRP is down 5% today alone, all right? Bitcoin down, let's say 3%. And then you could see what else is happening with Solana, Doge, and you could see that the market is negative. Though last year in this cycle, during this holiday cycle, it actually ran up a little bit and then traded sideways, but it was actually more of a bullish move last cycle, right? So I want you guys to listen to this. I'm going to play a few videos and comment on the overall crypto market, which to me is extremely bullish. Okay. But remember, we got inauguration coming and there's just going to be a lot of volatility. But I'm prepared to buy some of these flash crashes. How about you?
I mean, Matt, rarely, though, do you see demand for an asset so sustained over this kind of a time period, right? Does it need new catalysts, or, is this effectively just a momentum trade with nothing really to stop it?
Well, I think the real story is people just wake up to Bitcoin at different paces. We saw retail investors get there first. We've seen companies and financial advisors get there. We're starting to see institutions get there. And once they realize that Bitcoin's not going away, that it belongs in a portfolio, they have to get off zero, get to 1%. BlackRock now says 2%. So it's just this cascading series of educational breakthroughs that brings new people into the market. Look, Bitcoin is now a global macro asset. It's a few $1 trillion. Pretty much every investor should have some, and we still have a large number of investors to go. That's why I think this is maybe a momentum trade, maybe it's a one-off introduction, but we're still early in that journey. We have many quarters to go. Yeah, I'll answer that last one first. If we do get a Bitcoin strategic reserve where the government is buying Bitcoin, and there's a bill from Senator Lummis that had the government buy 1 million Bitcoin, $200,000 Bitcoin is going to be looking quaint. You're going to be looking at $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 Bitcoin. It's just too big a story because governments all around the world would have to do it. When this initial idea was floated, I was somewhat skeptical of it, but over the months, it hasn't gone away. In fact, we continue to see leaders in the Trump administration suggest that they're open to it. I still think, maybe it's less than a 50% chance, but it's not zero. And again, if it happens, or if we start to see it happening in other countries, you're going to see, a rip up in Bitcoin that will make 2024 look pretty docile in comparison.
I absolutely agree with this gentleman. Listen, Bitcoin is the tide that rises all ships, right? And all of those ships are the altcoins and the meme coins, including XRP. And so now that we are looking at it and it's cooling off, that's why my last video, I said it's not over, because I clearly see this actually as a healthy pushback. But I believe 2025 is going to be a colossal year for all crypto. Listen to this.
But I wonder if you might take us through where you see the best relative performance in that crypto landscape in 2025.
Investors, at our firm for the last 8.5 years, we have recommended an allocation to crypto, including Bitcoin or Bitcoin and Ethereum. That allocation probably should be much higher in 2025 because the regulatory landscape is actually becoming more friendly. So I think Bitcoin still has to be at the core of someone's holdings, and I see Bitcoin getting to around 250,000 next year. But that would allow Ethereum, which is around 3,500 now, to probably do even better. Ethereum could get to 5,000 or 6,000 next year, and I think this is also probably the year where there's what we call alt season, where there's things like Solana and other altcoins do extremely well.
That was FundStrat's Tom Lee, who has been right on the stock market. He's been dead on. Some call him a perma bull, but I agree with him. Now he is raising his price target. It was 150, 170, 200, now 250, not in 10 years from now, but by 2025. Now, just because Tom Lee said it doesn't mean it's going to happen. But I also agree with Ethereum. Now, there was a time when I wasn't bullish on Ethereum, though I've held some Ethereum actually since 2021. But I will tell you that Ethereum's bull case is looking even better now because it will wake up. And he talked about Solana, so I'm heavy in Solana. I'm heavy in Ethereum, but I'm heavier in Solana than I am Ethereum. But I'm also heavier in SUI than I am Solana because I believe that SUI will outperform Solana and Ethereum. All right. But now keep in mind, SUI has already had a big run. All right. On the front end, SUI has already had a run. Ethereum has been a sleeper, but I believe it will wake up, and some of the altcoins or meme coins, legacy meme coins, will actually wake up, including Doge, right? So you guys know I like Bonk and Pepe, but I still hold some Shiba Inu, and I still hold a lot of Doge. Okay, let's read this. This is a BitStar. You can read it for yourself. While widespread liquidations would be expected from the recent Doge price crash, Dogecoin whales have embraced the downturn as a prime opportunity, right? Viewing the dip as a chance for a low market entry. So this is what I'm looking at this entire season before the year end. Low market entry. These whales now purchase Dogecoin in large volumes, with the latest transaction recorded a 270 million buy. So while the FUD, this happens every cycle, while the FUD is going on, while prices are pushed down, while Dogecoin is pushed down, while XRP is pushed down, while Bitcoin is pushed down, and every other crypto is pushed down, I am looking for what? Low market entry. Okay. How about you? All right, good people. Listen, if you really want to learn and earn in all of stock and crypto, especially crypto right now, there was a new lesson added. I want everyone that has Stock Up You to look at the last lesson added a few days ago. All right. And then the coupon code is still earned, EARN, right? We're extending it. It's still earned. Go ahead and get a huge discount off of the price of Stock Up You, where you can learn and earn. People are making life-changing money by taking the class and understanding for themselves, not just when to buy, but how to buy in the entire crypto cycles, right? Where you know how to buy and know when to sell and know when to accumulate, more importantly, right? And right now I am accumulating and looking for low entry points. I'm going to leave it right there. Listen, top link below, Stock Up You. Coupon code is EARN. Come join the family, learn and earn. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.